Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to do this video right here, so let's watch it together. As you can see, this is going to be the map of Brazil. I'm going to teach you how to do this animation on this very quick video, because right now, we're going to focus on create map animation in Canva, Tutorial Canva. As you can see right here, I have my timeline on this part right there, so I'm going to go back on the home page so I can take you step by step. Now once we're here, simply click on the video options, select that one right there, and click on video 1080p or 1080 pixels. If you select that one right there, you'll be redirected inside Canva. As you can see right here, this is going to be the video editing platform of Canva. Now once we're here, select on upload sections because you're going to need a map here. So I'm going to have already a map on my own there, just going to make sure it's going to be, everything is going to be expanded. Perfect. And then I'm just going to simply click on duplicate for this one, like so. For the second page, I'm going to make sure I'm going to highlight that part because we're going to focus only in Brazil. So you can do this on any maps you want, depending on which one you want to focus. So for this one, I'm going to focus on Brazil, this part right here, or I can still enlarge it. I think this should be good to go. Next up, for this one, for the third image, I'm going to add a page there. Go back on elements, and simply for this one, type the part or the map you're looking for. So on my end, that will be Brazil map. For this one, I'm gonna click this graphic right there, change the color to any color you want depending on your preference. I'm gonna go with a little bit more red here. Now it doesn't really matter what size, what color, because for the third one you need to download this first. So download that one as a PNG, make sure it's gonna be a transparent background, and just simply select on the third one right there. You don't need to download everything just yet. We're just focusing first on the photo on this one. So once you have successfully downloaded it, upload the file down right there. As you can see, I already have one on my end. So we can now delete the page number 3. We're not going to use this one anymore. So we're going to focus on this one. Click this one right there, and then let's have some fun. Now granted, it will not be perfect as it is because these are entirely different photos. So what we're going to do right here is we're going to make sure it's going to be as close as we can be. So you can still edit stuff here. For example, just that one right there, I think this should fix it. Or just a little bit more on the right. I think a little bit more expanding it option right here. I think this is the part where the best we can do for it. Next one is going to be adding some animation. So click the animate right there. As you can see, there are 6 new animations. You have brush, digital, gradient, sketch, spray paint, brush, and for this one, I'm going to go for ink. I think ink is better. And then go for text. Look for text there. Add a text here, add a heading depending on your choosing, and type in the country that's we're using. So I'm just gonna fix this one like so. Perfect. And change the font. Choose one which will be your choosing. I'm looking for like Spartan. This one right there. Change the color. I'm gonna go for white here. Now this is where it gets interesting. So for this one, of course, we're gonna also need an animation. I'm gonna go for blur. So you can choose which one you want, but for me, I'm gonna go for blur. So right now we have 2 animations, one right there for the map, and then second one for the text. So basically what's next? So next one, we're going to focus on the transitions of the 2 sections or 2 slides. Add the transition, look for match and move. Go for 2.5 there. Perfect. And then for this one, making sure that you click on right click. Look for the one that says alignment timing. Just place this one to your liking. I'm going to go until here. Have a preview on how it looks like. Perfect. Next one is going to be for the text. So if you're having a hard time selecting which is which, go for position. Select the text there, and as you can see, make sure these 2 are aligned. And then for the first page, so it doesn't really take much of your time, you can lessen this one. Like so. So a little preview on how it looks like. This should be a preview of what we have. And basically for that one, we have successfully did this one. Now, once you're satisfied with what you've done, simply click on the share button, click on download, MP4 video right there, and basically click on download for this one. I'll get back to you once we're done here so I can show you the output. So welcome back to the video. This is gonna be our final output. If I click on play there, should be this one right here, and as you can see, we have Brazil there. A much more brighter red comparing for the first video I showed you earlier. Alright, so those are the basics. So you can create so much here, you can really color all the map on this part right there. It's gonna be depending on you guys. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.